Hi guys, we are once again recovering the material. This is MDF that would be thrown away with cost and pollution. We will instead go to realize a sort of necklace holder, let's call it that. But you will see in the end we need a compass. Of tracing a pencil, a 1 Manhattan square, and the inevitable aluminum line for bricklayers, but also a very normal ruler from school. Let's start by tracing the median line. We bring back 80 millimeters to be able to make the next starting. From the outer side that we measure to be 210, pointing outward, we draw an arc of circumference. So we will also make another arc of circumference on the other side. In the end, we will join this point with one trace previously, obtaining a diagonal seam we will do on the other side. So we got what may be a primitive silhouette. From here, we will move on to the actual cutting using a cutter. Now I send your cutter. I recommend my fingers and accompany the blade as it delicately carves. Remember to make several passes until you can cut the piece. You see, in this case, the piece is cut. The other piece is cut. The shoulder remains to finish, always gently. And remember that you have a blade in your hand. Nothing more likely that you will cut the base, so put under. The cutting zone, a piece of material technically called sacrificial, that is, something that can be cut and then thrown away, that has no great value. In this case, I used a piece of MDF that was now destined for waste. There you go. Now, as you can see, it remains only the finishes pull away stuff, but this is part of the second video of the second part. See you soon, guys. Good morning, guys. As I said, this is the second part. That is good substance with 180 paper. Let's go clean the edges. To break through them so as to obtain a pleasant surface and ready for long paint. We finish everything with Scotch-Brite so as to make everything rest. And then we go to prepare what will be the base to insert this object and also the necklaces. Here, of course. We increase technology and danger. Everyone ready? We set up the machine. And here we are with our beautiful grip. Of course, we are going to insert
Maiora.
our support.
Okay.